Much like the argument for chivalry, I'm of the belief that hospitality is not dead. Admittedly, there's nothing like worldwide restaurant closures and restrictive measures that alter hospitality as we know it. But still, hospitality leaks through in the details. Hello, Lasse Sorensen?
I'm gonna miss you, bro.
I miss you too, what's up?
Hey, you leaving tomorrow, right? I want to be over here with these people over here at my house. So,
I'm not quite sure I'm following.
let me probably.
No, I'm not picking up what you're putting down.
Okay.
Okay, what?
If we go there and we have dinner, we jump back home.
I'm flattered, Tony, really.
What do you think about that?
I love it. I'll be there in about 45 minutes.
What do you say?
I've mentioned it before. In the hospitality business, there's an unspoken bond, an understanding as old as time itself. When someone in the industry calls, we drop everything to help one another out. Who else could you expect to walk into a kitchen they've never cooked in and feel right at home? Only another chef. That should be a part of the definition of hospitality.
Food is love, code for Archland.
Even so, when Tony Pietoso personally invites you to dinner, you get there by any means necessary and as quickly as possible. Because the chance of holding court with the King of Clayton, now that's an offer I can't refuse.
Let me tell you something, Lester. It's got to look like a show.
Yeah.
You know, what
Absolutely.
everybody feels is important. Think about it.
As a chef, I need to stay curious in order to evolve. For me, that means looking beyond a good meal to learn more about who made it and what inspires them to cook.
La comida es amor.
Every great city has great food. I'm going on a journey around the world, right here in St. Louis. I'm on a quest to find passionate chefs who cooks from the heart.
It's exciting.
And I think it's the best.
To prove that food is love.
And it's gonna be delicious.
Food is love. Love your food. There is a reoccurring theme in movie plots that defines the lead as an underdog, an unlikely hero, facing and overcoming almost impossible odds. The truth can be more amazing than fiction. I've seen it so many times myself right here in St. Louis. I'm on my way to one of my favorite restaurants in the city, and one that has a history here in Clayton. A place where I have celebrated many anniversaries and countless meals over the years. But today, I'm stopping in to spend time with the owner of Cafe Napoli, an immigrant that came to St. Louis as a teen with no family connection and nothing to his name. Italian restaurateur Tony Pietoso has been serving food in Clayton for more than 30 years now. St. Louis has a long history of Italian-American families. In neighborhoods like The Hill, Italian influence makes up a large part of the city's food and restaurant identity. But Tony's story is not one of those. So exactly how does one go from an orphan immigrant to the King of Clayton? That's exactly what I hope to find out myself. Scene 1, the introduction.
Lester!
Tony, how are you?
Hi, buddy.
Good seeing you.
So good to see you. How you been, all right?
Good.
Good. Have a nice table for us.
Table 18?
Yes.
That's my favorite
How did
table.
you know that? It's mine too.
It is?
Yes. Sit down, please.
I love this table.
So do I. You know why, don't you?
Well, I mean, we are restaurateurs, right?